Wow! Tuwan-tuwa ang bata. Tayong mga tech guys, ano, para tayong bata, ano. Pag gumana yung laruan, tuwang-tuwa eh. So nag-work na nga siya. Parang iPhone na rin. Isa pa nga. Wow. Nice. Okay, sabi nila yung latest update daw ng Samsung One UI 7 ba yun? Pwede na daw ma-activate yung digital key. So updated na to itong S24 Ultra ko. Subukan natin. So BYD, and then digital key. Ayun. Add a digital key. Please carry your physical key. Nandito, dala natin. Tap add now to proceed to wallet. Yun. Samsung Wallet. Guys, disclaimer lang. This video is not a step-by-step guide on how to install the digital key. Ipapakita ko lang yung mga important parts. Okay, Galaxy Store. Kailangan mag-update. Sige, update natin. Meron kasing mga sensitive information that I obviously don't want to expose. I hope you understand. Anyway, if you are an Android user and you have a BYD, I think I can safely assume that you are techy enough to do this or at least follow the instructions on the BYD screen and on your phone. Okay, tapos na mag-download. Open. Samsung Wallet, do more, blah 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 blah. Inulit lang. More. Continue. Allow Samsung Wallet to send you notification. Allow. To continue, please verify. Use account password. So, syempre, hindi ko papakita sa inyo, di ba? So, nakafocus ako dun sa phone ko. May instructions pala dito. You can pair a phone car key here. Please make sure the physical key is in the vehicle before pairing. Put the phone at the NFC sign. Dito. Okay. Andyan siya. Enable now. As usual, the biggest lie on earth. Alam niyo ba yung biggest lie on earth? When we all say that we have read and agreed. Hindi naman talaga binabasa yan, di ba? Nagmamadali tayo eh. That's the biggest lie on earth. Okay, hindi na detect. So, kalikutin natin. May plus sign dito. Memberships, coupons, Samsung Pass, digital keys. Ayan. Door locks. Ayan. Add car key. You can add digital keys from blah blah blah. Partners. Ayan, may BYD. Adding field. Lagay daw dito. Sige. Ulitin natin. Enable now. Ayun. Please pick up the phone. Enter the pairing code. Okay. Yung pairing code pinapadala sa email. Tsaka dito, at the same time, may update. Ayan. Update daw. Sige, update natin. Enter the activation code provided by your car manufacturer. So, nandun yun sa email ko. So, natanggap ko na nga sa email. Siyempre, hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo. Ayan. Pairing code is meron na nga. Ayun. Your keys are stored securely on your phone. Start. Smart thing is fine. Kailangan ba ipatong dito? Okay na naman dito. Place your phone on. Ayan. The phone car key is being paired. Do not move the phone. So, do not move the phone. Paired successfully. Yay! Nice! Parang bata na may bagong laruan. Sa phone ko it says digital key added to Samsung Wallet. Nice! Okay, subukan natin. So, turn off. Bababa na tayo. Okay guys, wala yung case ko tinanggal ko yung case. So this is just the phone. Tapos andito yung case. Ayan. Andito yung NFC na pinagawa natin lately kay BYD Greenfield. So iwan ko yan dyan sa kotse. Tapos lalabas tayo.
It is quite common for people to park under a tree because of the shade. But a car guy knows not to park under a tree. Why? Tree sap, bird poop, and other tree droppings can be very bad for your car's paint. It bonds with the paint, penetrates through the clear coat, and cause permanent damage. Akala mo sa umpisa, watermark lang. Perfect scenario, wala pang 15 minutes since we parked here. Eto, meron ng dropping. The question is, can you avoid it? Of course not. Alam nga naman hindi matuloy yung business meeting mo just because wala kang mahanap na parking na walang punong kahoy, di ba? Another scenario, standstill traffic, bumper to bumper. Eto ngayon si Kamote, pilit na lulusot, bag, nasagi ka, sabay takbo. Wala ka na magagawa. Today, hindi ko na masyadong pinoproblema yan because my car is protected by Invitec PPF. Now, pwede mong sabihin, bakit hindi nila magpa-repaint ang mahal-mahal ng PPF? Good question. Hear me out. Imagine this dropping tumama dito sa paint. Hindi naman po pwedeng dyan ka lang magpa-paint sa area na yan because pangit tingnan, magkakaroon ng parang patch, hindi pantay ang pintura. Sasabihin ng painter mo, i-recommend niya to paint the entire hood. Once na repaint na yung entire hood, hindi naman siya papantay dito sa fender. Hindi na rin siya papantay sa kulay dito sa bumper. The same case dito, kapag nasagi ka, nagkaroon ka ng damage, pag pina-repaint mo, hindi na papantay yung kulay dito sa fender at doon sa bumper. Kahit padalin mo yan sa kakilala mong pinakamagaling na pintor, it will never be exactly the same as the original factory paint. With Invitec PPF, just replace the affected panel, no repaint, and you get to keep your original factory paint. Call Invitec now, schedule your PPF installation, mention Team DTV, and get a discount.
Tuwan-tuwa ang bata. Tayong mga tech guys, tayong bata, pag gumana yung laruan, tuwang-tuwa eh. O, diba? Ang galing. Nice. So, nag-work na nga siya. Parang iPhone na rin. Very good. Galing-galing naman ni Samsung. So, this is because of the One UI 7 update. Isa pa nga. Wow. Nice. And because of that, pwede ko na i-activate ulit yung wireless chargers ko. 'Di ba? Tapos ito, pwede ko na tong isama sa card holder ko, mga credit cards, ATM na although bira ko naman dalhin yun, pero backup ko na to. Hindi ko na kailangan ipitin dito. Wow, this is the perfect scenario. O, di ba? So, ngayon, pwede na natin i-activate yung wireless charging. Ayan, activate na natin wireless charging sa left. Ayan, charging na. Nice! Okay, wala nang worry sa NFC na masusunog. Diba? So, nandito na siya. So, backup ko na lang to. So, paano ba yan? Tuwan-tuwa na naman ang bata. Perfect scenario. May kaka-publish ko lang nung extra NFC card, di ba? May isa nagsabi na naka-pixel something siya, and sabi ko nga, that would be my perfect scenario. Answered prayer agad. Parang di ko napansin kung kailan nagkaroon ng update yung yung Samsung One UI 7. Parang a few days lang mula nung kung kailan naman ako nagpagawa ng NFC. But anyway, hindi naman sayang yung NFC kasi magiging backup ko yun. Backup. Dabi ko ng backup. So may key fob na backup na pwedeng nasa bahay lang. Tapos yung NFC pwede kong ilagay sa bag or sa card holder. Tapos ang main key ko would be my phone. So hindi ko lang sure. Tingnan ko mamaya kung anong models ng Samsung. Tingnan natin kung mahanap ko information na yun, i-list ko na lang dyan sa dulo nitong video. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. Tuwan-tuwa na naman ako. Very techie car talaga to. Panalo. Thank you guys for watching. Drive safe. Bye.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.